Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread and do maybe kind of like a little plan with me in my big dashboard layout for the week of August 7th through the 13th. I'm going to be using some new florals that are available in my shop. These are called recompense. I have named my newest 4 designs after just different type words that I can reflect on my faith with. So recompense is one that I'm using for, or that I use to name this floral design. So I don't know if you can hear my voice. I don't know why my camera's shaking, but I woke up yesterday morning. Today's Sunday, August 6th. I woke up with a cold. I don't know, it came out of nowhere. I've had a rough couple weeks. So forgive me for my voice, y'all. I know I've been MIA. I did not even plan in my planner or do anything for last week. I've been using my Happy Planner block pad, which this did have 100 sheets in it, so you can see that I use this all the time, just like as a brain dump. Whenever, even whenever I do my plan with me's, you know, if I fill up my planner or just to need a quick like brain dump type thing, I use those block pads. So for this week, or the coming week, tomorrow the 7th, I want to decorate and I kind of want to get back in my planner. So let's see what we can do. And then I do have my James Method journal that I'm going to try to film another plan with me in, just to decorate it. And then I think on my own time I'm going to do the actual verse mapping, and then I'll do a separate video to go over that and kind of do a Bible study with you guys. So let's go ahead and decorate this spread and see what I can come up with for this. Okay, and so again, I apologize if you can hear my air conditioner in the background. Most of you guys say that you can't. I do have my microphone here that I'm trying to use to kind of help pick up my voice, and maybe I can like edit out the background noise. So we'll see how that works. But I went ahead and I whited out like all of my headers and my dates and the August up here at the top. So we're going to just start laying down some cute florals just to decorate the spread. Like I said, I've had like a rough last couple weeks just with things going on kind of like family-wise and personal, private type stuff. Everybody's good and everybody's okay. It's just some things that had to be addressed and had to be handled. And if you guys notice, I don't have a ring on, so that's a whole nother situation that really didn't add much to the issues. That's been a long time in the coming. But yeah, I've had other issues aside from that. If you guys remember me talking about Tyler Doyle and his wife Lakeland, she did have her baby girl in March. I think she had her March 29th. And so just if you would keep them in your prayers. Lakeland has been going through a lot lately. A lot of drama, a lot of things, a lot of dirt being slung at her. And so she's like one of my children now, because Tyler was like one of my children, and so I've had to take some time away to help her and to be there for her. And then, you know, just that's been like the majority of my time. And then guess what, y'all? Now all of a sudden Cricut has decided to roll out. Cricut Design Space is horrible about letting or rolling out new updates. Like they do updates constantly, all the time, which is ridiculous. But they did one this past week, and so I still have orders because I'm behind because of all the family issues that I've been dealing with. I'm behind on fulfilling my orders from July 21st, and now Cricut has rolled out a new update that has totally messed up printing. It's called Print Then Cut, if you're familiar with Cricut, and no matter how much I calibrate my machines, I cannot, nothing cuts correctly. Let me see if I can show you an example. I have one in my trash, and I actually was going to send out an email and share it with you guys. Oh, where'd it go? I want to find it. Okay, here. So just for an example, this is my beloved sticker sheet, and this whole floral is supposed to be cut out, but this is the way that Design Space cut it out. I cannot do this. I have 6 Cricuts that I run daily to print I use printers, of course, to print my designs, but then I cut my stickers with Cricut Design Space, and I've calibrated my machines, and there are so many people that are mad right now and upset because Cricut does this, and they have just totally messed us up so bad, you guys. Like, I can't even tell what in the world Cricut. Look at this. Look at this. This is what Cricut is doing, you guys. This is not, I can't ship you guys stickers like this. So now, after all, this is nothing but the enemy trying to get to me. That's all it is. The enemy's trying to, what is it? Scripture says he comes to kill, steal, and destroy. So I really hope that you guys can be patient with me, because I mean, I'm trying. I really am. But look at this. I can't cut stickers. My machines are calibrated perfectly, and Cricut has gone and done an update that has totally messed up everything. So here we are, August 6th, and for the last several days, I've been waiting on Cricut to fix this issue, and they have not. And I'm hoping that tomorrow, Monday, the 7th of August, that I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt and hoping that they just took the weekend off and that they're going to come back tomorrow with this. I don't care if they roll back. Like, that's the biggest issue I have with Cricut is you have no choice but to update, and they don't test their updates. They don't test them before they roll them out. And then this is what we're left with. Worthless. I mean, I've got thousands of dollars worth of machines here that I cannot use because their designers decided to roll out an update that was not tested, that has totally messed up everything. And I can't do anything about it because I've recently learned that Cricut, in their fine print, says not to use their machines for businesses. So they got me there. So I can't do anything about it. I'm not protected as a business owner. So you guys, I'm just, this is nothing but the enemy trying to bring me down, trying to drag me down. I did go to, we had revival this weekend. One of my favorite pastors ever. He is a biker. He has a biker church. He's actually lived a real life. He's not one of those spoiled, never had a hard life type pastors. He comes every August and does revival at our church, and so I went Saturday night and this morning and got my cup completely filled, got myself rejuvenated, and this is all this is. All this is an attack from the enemy trying to discourage me and get me down, and I just hope that you guys could be patient with me and understand that right now my orders being behind at this time is not my fault. You know, last week it was my fault because I was trying to be there and help a 20-year-old widow kind of navigate through life. So I've just kind of had to put life on hold, you guys. And I hope that y'all can appreciate and understand that. You know, life happens. So, and then I'm supposed to be starting school August 21st, which is in 2 weeks. But I know that the Lord will get me through this. I know He will. There's no doubt in my mind. So I'm not doubting that one bit. And I just hope that you guys can kind of understand and sympathize with me and know that I haven't been intentionally slack and not doing what I'm supposed to do, because like I said, I woke up yesterday and I was sick, and that was just because the enemy knew that I wanted to go to revival, so of course I woke up sick. But I went, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I got my cup filled. I got myself back in line with what the Lord would have me to do, and so I'm feeling really, really good about the future. But I hope that you guys can kind of give me a little bit of grace with your orders. I do have a back to school sale that's going on right now. If you use the code in all caps, back to school, at checkout, you can save 35% off your entire order. And then I also have free shipping. Now that just applies to orders over $25, but I figure most everybody spends at least $25. So I just kind of set it that way. So, you know, I'm trying to be helpful and be good to you guys and give you guys nice discounts and free shipping and things, but now I have this delay with Cricut as well. So I just hope that you guys can trust me and know that I'm not going to leave you high and dry. I will be shipping your orders. I will be filling your orders as soon as Cricut gets their stuff together, because I've gotten myself together for the things that have put me on hold now. And now I'm ready to get back to work, and Cricut has this issue. So hopefully you guys can understand and love me through this. I need your grace just as much as the next person. My life hasn't always been easy, and I'm sure that I sometimes make my life harder than it should be, but that's just me. I'm not a perfect human being, so we're not going to talk about that. But anyways, I love these stickers. These fools are gorgeous. So let's see what else we could do here to decorate. And like I said, I want to get back in my planner. This year has been one of the hardest, and I will tell you that a lot of my hardships this year have been self-inflicted. Just with the decisions I've made that I knew the Lord was telling me not to do certain things and be with certain people, and I didn't listen. So a lot of my hardships over the past year have been all self-inflicted, and I take complete responsibility for those. You know, I do still try and push through, and even though I'm 43 years old, I'm still learning. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys can give me that same grace, and just know I'm not going to disappear. I promise I'll get your orders out to you. I will work as hard as I can as soon as Cricut gets their mess together, so that I can get back into design space and design like I'm supposed to, and cut, at least be able to cut your orders. I have them all printed. I have them actually right here beside me. So this is what I have the rest of them already cut. I had them in my stock, but these have to be cut, and I threw away, you don't even want to know how much I threw away. I've thrown away like so many because Cricut Design Space messed everything up. So I have been trying, you guys. I promise I've been trying. It's just Cricut Design Space right now is holding me up. So I just ask that you guys can give me a little bit of grace until I get everything together and Cricut gets everything together. So I figured while I wait, I'll just film a video or two to talk to you guys and update you and let you know that I'm still here. You know, I've always said I'm a one-man band, so I have to do everything on my own, and it's not easy for me to juggle social media and the shop and orders and all that fun stuff. So I'm still here, and I'm still working and trying to get through the kinks. So anyways, let's go ahead and put a couple boxes down. And I think I'm going to put a box up here. Revival was amazing. Saturday night was it really got to me, like Saturday night. And the reason I went to Revival is because I'm one of those that needs my toes stepped on, and when I know I'm in the wrong, or when I know that I'm not in line with God, I will not go to church because I don't want my toes stepped on. And I hope you guys can understand that's the human side of me. But I now know that I was in a place where my relationship with God had gone a little bit too far out of line for my comfort, and so I wanted my toes to be stepped on, and I knew that I needed to be at Revival, and that's exactly what happened. God spanked me. He put me back in line. He has been chastising me and chastening me and spanking me, and so I knew that I needed to get my butt into that Revival and get myself straight. And that's just me coming to you as a true human being, not someone who pretends to be holier than thou, because I will never ever do that. Never ever. I have fallen from grace so many times. It is unbelievable. But anyway, so I feel like I have gotten a fresh touch from God, as my pastor would say. So I'm ready to take on the week. But anyways, so let's put a couple more headers. Now, I've been using my script headers 3. I don't have any appointments or anything like that. Hold on, let's see. Let me go back to my monthly. I don't think I do. No, I don't have anything this week. So I'm going to, just because I want my font, like I want to have this font on this side as well, I'm just going to try to find something that might kind of help me match. I do need to schedule, because I just got this letter from Honda that there's a recall on my car. So I do need to schedule that. So I'm going to put that on Tuesday. Monday, I know what I'm doing. Monday, if Cricut has everything straight, I will be cutting stickers and filling orders on Monday. So I do need to try to get that recall repaired. And then let's see. I don't know what else I can use, you guys. I might just have to do like a to-do. Let's just do a to-do. That way I have a couple of the same font on this side as well. Just so that everything kind of matches and is in sync. Alright, so again, that's Script Headers 3. And the schedule one is from Script Headers 1 right here. These are available in my shop too. And then I have the regular type, like typeset headers as well. But I kind of like the script ones, so that's kind of what I've been sticking to lately. Alright, let's put this up. So I think what I'm going to do now is just put everything, or put my pages back in my planner, see what it looks like. I don't know that I'm going to really be adding any washi. I think this spread is like super cute the way it is. So let's just put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. You guys let me know. Did you enjoy this video? Do you like my new florals? Head on over, like I said, to my shop through Monday, August 8th, and use the code Back to School to save 35% off your total order of $25 or more, and automatically get free shipping. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram if you're over there as well. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys on my next one. I thank y'all so much for watching. Bye guys.